Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex trading, using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the Futures Week in Review. I'm going to start off with the current futures. Now, as far as total goes for the intraday for the last day, this was the overall loss for these picks of futures going forward. So at the Aussie dollar, we started off with an overall gain, then a loss, and then two more gains, and then an overall scratch on Friday. Overall gains for the week for Australian dollar was $570, one contract. British pound, basically we're looking at a $68 loss overall. Only a couple of trades here, and here. The end of the week Friday with that loss. Canadian dollar, overall gains for the week, rather nice gains of $460. Euro, some nice overall gains for the entire week, $1,125 on one contract. Japanese yen had some nice overall gains for the week of $812. Brazilian real, one trade, basically $115 gain. Mexican peso is kind of consolidating there. Overall loss $81. New Zealand dollar, initial overall loss on Tuesday and Friday, but gain for the week of $335. Swiss franc, initial loss overall for Tuesday and Thursday. However, overall gains for the week were $206. South African rand, a $425 gain for the week. Nice gain on Friday too as well. Bitcoin kind of dropped through the market there after this Bollinger Band squeeze and is now headed to the downside, looking at $146 on the shorts. Cocoa, nice overall uptrend. Did have a down day on Friday. Overall gain for the week, $120. Oil, amazing gains throughout the week. Initial loss on Monday, however, these two gains, and then this retracement stopped with an overall gain of $1,880. Cotton, nice overall downtrend with a gain of $770 on one contract. Dollars continues to be strong, broke through the 200 and took a little break on Friday. Gained $728. ES minis. We had initially started our actual downturn on August 2nd, and as you can see, we had Z3 and RL270 as an overall target, but we had an overall target here towards the end, and you had three conversions. You had the RL270, Z3 excursion one, so I did not trade this overall. If I did and used the Z3 here, it still would have been a gain, but right now there wasn't a good one-to-one as far as that trade was concerned. But overall gains for the week for the ES Mini was $3,460. Gold, nice gains of $1,890 overall. This overall downtrend, we still have the 200 as potential target, along with the Z3 excursion here. Feeder cattle had a nice overall downtrend and then a reversal towards the end. We took back some of the profits there and ended up the week up $250. Lean hogs, a nice downtrend. Overall give back on this tiny little candle for the day, and then this initial buy on the FTM and green candle gave us a $920 close, which gave us overall week of $1,240. Copper futures, only one trade on Friday. This green candle and FTM right off the Z3 excursion, $450 gain. Coffee, beautiful downtrend all the way to here with a give back of $318 on Friday. However, our overall gain for coffee was $2,925 for the week. Hard red wheat, two initial trades here. This one was ready to be down trade, but it opened above this overall candle here, so it didn't trade this. Overall reversal. Too close to call at the time. So within that hour and 10 minutes, you got to make a decision on when the futures open up, whether or not to take the trade. If it's within the range, it's fine, but if it's not, and say it gaps up, do not take that trade to that direction. Lumber, overall gains starting from here to here, we're looking at $467 gain. Live cattle, overall gain of $820 for the entire week on this downtrend. Natural gas, beautiful trades here, and then paused here on Thursday. Overall gain for the week, $560. NASDAQ One of the best gainers here with a $3,290 gain for the week. Did not trade this last one because you got the Z3 excursion, and the RL270. No good one-to-one trade there. Orange juice. Nice overall trades to start the week around Wednesday. And it was given all back on Thursday and no further trades. So we're a little bit better than breaking at $180. Palladium. Nice overall downtrend. For the week, looking at $3,200 for profit for the entire week. No further trade after Thursday. Platinum, kind of same thing in terms of palladium, but overall gain of $1,115. Gasoline, do not trade gaps, as you can see here. Look at this overall gap, all the way down to the RL270 from here up at 2.8518 down to here at 2.6. This is why I don't trade gaps. Overall loss for the week was $239.40. Russell, nice overall gains to the downside. Hits the Z3 excursion, then bounces in between the RL270, 200, and the Z3. Overall gain of $3,145 in one contract. Sugar, $560 loss with this consolidation. Silver, also consolidating here with a $1,020 loss. Nice overall gain on this trend for the treasuries. $1,114 on the Ultra 10-year. Ultra Bond, same thing, same kind of movement, same kind of motion. $2,812 for the week. VIX, overall gain of $665 in the subtrend. E-mini Dow, overall gain of $2,285 on one contract for the week. Nice overall gains from Monday through Friday to the short side. T-bond futures, nice overall gain on this downtrend of $1,968 to the short side. Corn, a couple of good trades. Overall gains, though, for the week were pretty much break even at $200. 5-year, same overall gains to the downside, $421. Soybean oil, nice overall gains for the week on the subtrend for $1,770. Soybean meal, the other direction, a loss of $370. I did not take this trade because it was beyond the Z3 to the short side. 10-year T-note, nice overall gains the week for $515. Oats, beautiful gains to the upside, especially with Wednesday, of $1,625 in one contract. Rough rice started its initial downward trend after all that news in India and then spiked up. Nice overall gain for the week of $420 in one contract. Soybean, overall loss after this consolidation here on Tuesday and Wednesday of $787. 2-year started to consolidate here behind the Z3 and the RL90. Loss of $39. Wheat, overall gains for the week, all to the downside. This gapped up. Go ahead and buy at this incredible gap up. This reversal down candle had nice overall distance to the downside, but some information within that hour and 10 minutes reversed the entire trade, and futures jumped up all the way up to 615. Tick 1. Overall gain on Friday on this buy was $1,187. Nice way to close out the week. Friday was the lowest week with about break even. Overall totals for the entire week on one contract were $45K. Well, folks, if you're interested in trading futures and these kind of strategies in futures, FOREX, or stock indices, and programming in PineScript and Python and auto trading, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, go ahead and click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.